Relationships have ups, relationships have down. And you know what you want to do? Protect your health. This is something that I refer every single one of my clients to because of the process that is so seamless, so simple, so private, and who doesn't love a little extra layer of discretion? For anybody who's in a situation where they want to take a more front seat position with their health, regardless of the position, regardless of the reason, this is where you want to go. Whenever I refer this program to my clients, one of the first things I love about this is that you can do this at 2 a.m., 4 a.m., 6 p.m., whatever time works for you, no matter where you are geographically in the country. My name is Vernon Brown, and I'm a health and fitness coach. Now, whatever brought you here, let's go ahead and leave it at the door. This is not about judgment. This is about taking control of your health. On top of that, you don't have to worry about anything coming to your home address. Nothing goes through insurance, nothing like that. This is all you have to do. Go to the description box right above and click on that link, and it's the official website. You type in your zip code. And then from there, what you do is select a location that is convenient for you. You just select which test you would like, and they have a variety of tests, so don't worry about that. But for those of you all who are just curious about the process, after you just select which test you want to do, what you do from there is they will send over a secure code to your email, not to your house, not to your job, not to your insurance company, to your email address. You take that secure code and you go to one of the testing facilities. From there, what's going to happen is you go in for a 5-minute visit. You get in, you get out, and you get gone. And what is awesome about it is no one knows what you're there for. You're referred to a testing center that they do so many different types of tests that they're just coming in to collect the samples and go. I do want to make sure I mention this. When you take the test, you don't have to be in your home state, home county. You can be anywhere in the country. Take that for what it's worth. This is about empowering you to make a better decision so you can take full control of your sexual health. The process is simple, sweet, very secure, and it's done. In the event that you do test positive, what you would do is you'll be working one-on-one with a physician who's going to refer you to the local pharmacy of your decision. So not just local to where you live, but local to wherever you are at. You take the medication and then things are taken care of. Taking control of your health is never a bad idea, no matter what age or whatever the reason is. It's about getting things taken care of, getting your results, and then getting gone and getting on with life. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'm happy to answer them. Make sure you're taking control of your health and remove the guilt. There's nothing wrong with being in control of your physical health. Thank you for watching.